Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Terraform-managed infrastructure state files safely step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the location of your Terraform state files. Check if your state files are stored remotely or locally. For remote state management, verify access to the backend storage. If using local state files, navigate to the appropriate directory. Back up your current state file before making any changes. Create a copy of the state file with a different name in case you need to revert. If you are updating the state, confirm that you have the latest version from your team. Use the command Terraform state pull to download the latest state file if it's stored remotely. Open the state file in a text editor to inspect its contents. Look for any inconsistencies or errors indicated in the file. Resolve issues directly within the state file if you are familiar with the structure. If unsure, consider using Terraform-plan to understand proposed changes before modifications. Now, after making necessary changes, validate the state file. Run Terraform validate to ensure there are no syntax errors. Once validated, use Terraform state push if applicable to upload the updated state file. If you are working with a local file, save your changes and proceed to the next step. Run Terraform apply to ensure that your infrastructure aligns with the updated state. Monitor the output for any warnings or errors during the apply process. If everything runs smoothly, confirm that the state file reflects the current infrastructure. Document any changes made to the state file for future reference. Finally, communicate changes with your team to maintain alignment on the infrastructure state. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.